Rest in peace. Oxtail with green leafy vegetables, guys. This is my Sunday dinner. Just cook it. Like, share, and subscribe to the channel, please. Oxtail. Rest in peace. Green leafy vegetables, guys. Remember, Big Papa vibes it with Jamaican versions. So remember to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Once again, Oxtail, butter bean, rice and peas, green leafy vegetables.